Good morning, team. Hi, Anirudh, Baranika, Joel, Neha, Sapna, Suchirta, Tushar, Malik. Okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Once all the join, we can start. Meanwhile, you can join our WhatsApp group to get a regular updates on these sessions. The first side, this one will be the our WhatsApp website, WhatsApp. And also, we developed recently for a mock interview tool as well. You can give it a try. It's a first three interviews. It's a free. Uh, Example, if you have any interview tomorrow, you can give a mock interview a day before. It will give you confidence to you, and you can able to even predict them some questions. At least 30 to 40% interview questions you can get from the interview itself. This mock interview. By attending 2 to 3 times, it may boost your confidence and it likely chances to clear your interview. Meanwhile, if anyone have a questions, maybe we can start with your questions related to your power platform, opportunities, market, and jobs. Anything. Anyone have a questions, team?
Hi, Mukesh.
Yeah,
This is
hi.
Bharanidhar. I have a question regarding the placement option.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have a career gap for about 7 months because of health issue. I was supposed to do with my job. So in
Okay.
this case, how is the
So how
placement option?
many years of career gap you have?
It's a 7 months.
Months. Okay. Okay. So actual reason?
Due to some health issue, I have to quit this. So,
Okay. Okay.
uh,
Now it's everything is fine. You are ready for
yeah,
any interviews,
yeah,
ready for
yeah,
job.
yes.
Uh,
And during that time also, I was doing some
sorry?
during the time I was in job, I was doing some power platform courses like I have learned by myself like that. So
Mm-hmm.
switch my job from it's a kind of like not much technical, it's a non-IT. So I would like to switch the job to completely to the power platform as a developer. So
Mm-hmm.
so after once all rectified regarding to my health, I then started to do some courses and
Your
try that.
voice is breaking, not able to hear you properly. But I got to know like you have got a career gap around 7 months due to health issues. Now everything is fine, and now you
Yeah,
want to switch your career to Power Platform, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So
that's
may I know
correct.
your previous package 7 months back?
Package you are asking.
Around it's of 10 to 15 or else less than 10?
Oh no, it's a less than 10 now.
Less than
Due
10.
to some,
Okay. Total
yeah.
years of experience?
It's 2 years and 9 months.
2 years, 9 months.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's good to know.
Mhm. So I just asking how the placement option work in this case since I have a career gap.
Yeah. So KSR will take care from your resume building to till getting a call. It's a purely our responsibility. I'm not going to be do any favor or help something. It's not a help. It's a completely our responsibility. The first one. So your resume building, if you are not getting calls, we have a dedicated placement cell session every alternate day. Monday, Wednesday, and
Mhm.
Friday, I only will handle the placement cell session. If you are not getting calls, we will take care. So how to get a better opportunities, how to modify your resume. To be frank, by saying as of now, I'm in a different domain and I just completed my course and looking for a job in the sense it will be difficult to get a call. So instead of
Yes,
that,
yes.
we will modify your resume as already you are using Power Apps and Power Automate in your current client with the current project. And that
Mhm.
much of knowledge is going to be provided here. That's the reason the course duration is taking 4 months. Also, we are providing Power Platform license as well. You will get a Power BI Premium, you will get a Power Apps license, you will get Power Automate license, and you are going to be practice the real-time projects. And almost every day you will get a small assignment. Example,
Mhm.
today your trainer explaining one topic, you have to be practice the same thing, every concept, every topic. So for sure, I can make a promise by completing this course, you are equal to a 3 to 4 years experience knowledge on Power Platform. The same thing you should have. You will get it that much of knowledge easily.
Mhm.
In fact, like you can share this curriculum with any of your friend who are already working in Power Platform. For sure, they are not aware about all these topics. What are
Mhm.
there in our curriculum, right? For sure, they are not using in their current project, or else they are not aware about all the concepts. Even though once you got a job, 90% you are not going to utilize every concept in your real time. It's a depends on the client, depends on the project. We are not sure what they are going to be asked. Example, in real time, some projects only on Power Apps. Some projects only with the Power Automate. Some project might be with the integration with the CoPilot. Some project might be integration with the Power BI. Like this, it will happen in real time. But
Okay.
we are not sure who is our client, what kind of project they are going to be allocated. So that's the reason we are learning complete topics with almost 80 lectures. At least 100 hours you are going to be learn technical concepts.
Okay.
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 From day one onwards, in your case, a career gap will reduce our chances and we can't even negotiate on the salary part.
Mhm.
Okay. And second suggestion, don't say the reason health issues.
Okay.
It's not for you. Anyone who had a career break
Mhm.
little bit, right? Like while approaching for interviews. So we will get a call, but they are when they are asking the reason health issues, right? It's likely chances they won't
Mhm.
go further.
Okay. Okay.
They will think like a Mahesh has said like had a health issues and got a career gap of 5 months. They will ask you what kind of health issue. If
Mhm.
I said like some back
Mahesh,
pain or
is it fine for like maternity? But I have 2 years of gap, career gap.
maternity is fine. Still, I can suggest it not to be give the details proper in detail, technically. Example, in 7 month case, I will tell you first, Sapna. I will come back to that maternity also. These 5 6 months
Hmm.
time, right? We can say like in the different reasons, saying like I got an opportunity to move abroad. Or else, if you already got married, you can say my husband got an opportunity to move abroad. Even I thought to relocate, but later due to the some other issues and scenarios, we thought to not to move to the abroad. Want to stay in India itself. That's the reason I am started applying for interview jobs again. Reason health issues in the sense they
But
will
they will
give.
not ask anything related
Let's
to
finish
like
her
as
call,
a
Sapna.
proof,
Please
right?
wait. Sapna, please wait. Let's finish one by one. Hmm?
Hmm.
So in these 7 months, right, ma'am, you can say like due to these reasons only, I just gotten a career break. So I don't want to relocate. Now I can start here only. Reason, if you say health issues, they will assume you may can't work even after got placement here. You already had some health issues. Maybe, may not, you are properly not fit to the do the proper jobs. So that's the
Understood.
reason I can suggest you avoid saying health issues in a career gap reasons. Okay.
Understood, Mahesh.
Yeah.
I just want to be frank regarding the reason behind my career track, so you can suggest me some options.
Yeah, but
Thanks
like,
for
that's
that.
what. We thought like we are honest, but what they will assume maybe you can't work properly.
Understood. Understood.
Better to avoid these things, and we will give some other reasons.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah, Sapna, come to your point. If it is a 2 years in the sense, we can say like a honest reason only having career gap because of the maternity. 6 months, 5 months, so less than 1 year, we can say this, but it's a more than 1 year. So better to go with the genuine reason.
But now you said, right, it's more than 1.5 year, then we can say for that abroad reason,
No, no,
if
no.
I'm
It's
not
six
wrong.
months. Her case is 7 months. That's the reason for her case. I'm saying that's the reason I requested. Could you please give me a chance to complete her issue?
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So 2 3 years and all, we can't make it hell abroad reasons, right?
Yeah.
It's again depends on one to one. Like everyone, we will discuss even during the real once classes is completed when we have a placement shell session. Everyone's story may be different. Depends on their backstory. I will give the different ideas.
So for
And
me,
another
what
good thing,
idea
Sapna,
is
now
suggested?
particularly for girls, right? We have an opportunity. So most of the companies they are planning to give the opportunities for career gap people, particularly for girls. Even example, if you go
I
to the
have
TCS,
seen for Infosys also,
yes,
and
Infosys, Wipro,
good thing
IBM,
is like
TCS.
they are asking for Power Automate, but I have not finished it yet, right?
Yeah, okay,
So I
okay.
did not register for that. And
That's what.
mainly, like if I go blank, like without having, because I was not having much coding backgrounds,
Mm-hmm.
I have to practice it because once you be in project, they will
Mm-hmm.
from the first day itself they will expect you to work like pro, right?
Yeah. So one thing, Sapna, from our course, right? As of now, I didn't seen any person who lost their job because of the capability issue. I seen lot
No,
many
no.
people who lost job because of document issue.
Yeah, that is
But
also good.
I never seen, particularly in Power BI, Power Platform,
Mm.
um, and this data analytics and DevOps. I never seen any person who lost their opportunity because of not able to do work in real time. I seen couple of people in data science, one or two cases, even rare cases in data engineering also, because it's a little huge concepts. Rare cases. That too,
Yeah.
these people went with a very huge experience. But this Power Platform and Power BI, it's not that tough, right? So you can able to manage
I
easily.
have 7 years of experience, mate.
That's fine. It's a technical, I'm saying, like a data science with 7 years in the sense, it's a little a heavy subject. They may
Yes,
expect a
correct.
different concept sometimes what we learned. Instead of that, they may expect different concept also. One or two cases I seen they are not able to manage in real time. They went with
Mm.
a 35, 40 lakhs package. When they are giving 40 lakhs package, they obviously they will expect some more work from them, right? In those cases, I seen
Yeah, so I can put less experience, right? Even I also don't want to go like that, and
actually Power
because
Platform. I guess your trainer also don't have 7 years experience in Power Platform. It's came in the market just 5 years back.
yeah, I knew that, and even I'm practicing, I could get the concepts, but in real time, it will be very different. If you know that things.
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, we
Two to
have
three
to
years.
struggle. We should have that capability,
Yes, yes.
but
You will get it. Don't worry. By completing these classes, Power Apps is completed for your batch.
no, I'm evening batch. And now it's Canvas app. Actually, I'm practicing for Canvas
Okay.
app as of
For you,
now.
what I can suggest from the day one onwards, be active in a LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So whatever the topic your trainer is teaching, right? Try to make it as an article or else as a post. Like if you are explaining how it looks like, you can try to post in LinkedIn. Also, Canvas apps is currently going, right? Once Canvas
Huh.
is done, do you have a small project and try to
Hmm.
explain that project by yourself.
Hey
Yeah,
guys, good
correct.
morning.
Yeah. Hi Indra, thank you for joining. Maybe sorry, I'm killing your time. Just give me two
Yeah,
minutes.
that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to correct you, Sapna. Like, I'm not sure like whether you are joining or not. So we are in the middle of model driven apps. It will be getting finished by this week in the evening
No, no,
batch.
I was saying I am practicing Canvas app. I did
Okay, you
not
are telling
say.
about your
Uh,
progress. Fine.
yes, yes.
I thought like there is some
No, no,
disconnect.
I was saying about myself. I'm practicing Canvas app because for Diwali holidays I had a gap year.
Mhm.
Cool, cool.
I did.
That's fine. I hope you got the answers that you were expecting
Yes,
from
yes.
Mahesh, right?
Yeah, Indraj.
Cool.
Okay. Great.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. Indra this side. So I will be your instructor for this batch. So let me start the recording. So if you have any doubt in Power Platform with AI and CoPilot, the basic thing. So I am happy to take doubts for first 5 minutes and then we will get started with actual content.
Yeah, hi Indra, Tushar this
Hi,
side.
Tushar. Yeah.
Yeah, I have one question. So, as I'm gone through some Naukri profiles, okay.
Okay.
So, in a Power Platform, basically they were asking for SQL, and
Okay.
as I'm looking in your browser, there is nothing there is nowhere it is mentioned like you are going to teach us the SQL. So, what would be the scenario? Like, are they really asking for SQL or uh,
Yeah, look, Tushar, like whatever is required in the job when you will be working as a power platform developer, we will be covering everything end to end. As Mahesh said, like we will be covering more than that only. We will not cover even 1% less than that. It will be more than that. So
mhm,
like you're talking about browser, so in browser like there will be a section called as basic SQL and Excel operations. I'm not sure like
mhm,
whether it is there or not. Like you share the browser with our team and
mhm,
let them know if it is not there. So I will be
mhm,
telling you how you can perform join operation, how you can perform select operation, how you can perform filtering and all. Because being a Power Platform developer, you don't need to be aware about CTE or other basically
mhm.
complex SQL thing, okay? Because being a Power
Yes.
Platform developer, by they are looking for SQL. Might be their data source is SQL and they want to create uh, the Canvas apps or SQL or the Power Automate flows or the model driven
Mm-hmm.
apps on top of that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to
Yeah.
connect with the SQL data source. So obviously I will be covering that, and we will
Mm-hmm.
be covering it in very much detail. You will be able to understand how to work with SQL as a data source.
Okay. Um, okay. So on top of it, my second question is in Power BI in this course as well. It is mentioned you are teaching Power BI, and you have a second course of Microsoft Fabric. There also you are teaching the same Power BI, right? So the
So
course that is, I mean,
it will be more, I would say more elaborated there. Like now here, I will be mainly focusing on the Power BI when it comes to Power Platform. Okay. When you will go to the data analytics course, so there you will be learning more nuances. Like suppose there is a visual, right? So
Mhm,
if you want to do various gimmicks with the particular visual, so there will be dedicated sessions on visualizations only for 1 week. Okay. And there will be lot of other details that we will be covering, but here also we will be covering everything, but here I will not like go ahead and I will discuss every visual one by one. Okay, because you are not here for Power BI developer, right? You are here for Power Platform developer. So when it comes to Power
mhm.
Platform, Power BI holds very less relevance, but again we are covering everything here. Why? Because I want you to be self sufficient. Like if some, I hope there is no background noise from my end.
No,
Is
no,
that
there is no commerce. No.
cool? So I want you to be self-sufficient, as Mahesh said. Like we
Mm-hmm,
want you to have like 3 to 4 years of experience that you can only claim when you will know the cross integrations, right? How
mm-hmm,
things
mm-hmm,
work, how you can solve the problem. So for
mm-hmm,
that matter, we will be covering everything when it comes to Power BI or any module in Power Platform. So
mm-hmm.
it is more than enough, or I would say sufficient to go ahead and create any Power BI report.
Okay.
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 Uh,
So my third question is like, what is the current scope in Power Platform? Like I heard so many times, and in some interviews also they are asking for Power Platform and Power Fabric. So what is the difference between Power PPD and the Power Microsoft Fabric, and what is the scope of this to in the current market scenario? I mean, in terms
Yeah.
of
So I will
interviews
try to
and as
cover
well
first
as.
thing like what is the scope like
Mhm,
that I think most of you must be having doubt. So yeah, it
mhm,
should be cleared because will be learning for this for next 3.5 to 4 months almost, right?
mhm, mhm,
So scope wise, like if you are looking for a job, so then I would say like this is one of the top skill that companies
mhm,
are looking for, organizations
mhm,
are looking for nowadays. So if I talk about my career itself, like I used to work with various product based organizations and banks. They are using Power Platform. If you are aware, like there is a event which is going on, right? Microsoft Ignite, guys,
yes, yes, yes.
Microsoft Ignite, right? I
Yeah.
was just going through the sessions day before yesterday, and there it was mentioned like Uber is one of their, I would say, biggest customer. You know Uber,
Yeah, Uber. Yes.
right? So Uber is using Microsoft Tech Stack, guys, this Power Platform.
Okay. Okay.
So I think now I don't need to explain the scope, right?
Yes.
So
So
scope
how would you compare? Means I want to comparison like Power
Fabric,
Platform and the
yeah.
Fabric.
Yes. I will compare Power Platform and Fabric. Basically, let me make it very simple for you. So, Power Platform is low code, no code tech stack where you don't need to write large number of lines of codes. It is just like Excel like expression where you will be creating apps, automations, Power BI
Mhm,
reports, and all. Okay. So now Microsoft realized like data engineer, data scientist, right? And data
mhm,
analyst. So they realized they should have a platform where all these people can collaborate and work together. Okay. So all
mhm,
the data related stuff, they took some services from Azure, they took some services from Power Platform, and they launched a new thing called as Microsoft Fabric. Okay. So
Okay.
it is for data engineers. So in Fabric, Power BI will come, Snaps Analytics will come, Databricks will come. You have to learn about SQL, Scala, Python. So it is more related to data engineers.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is a different domain you want to say, right?
Yeah, different tech stack altogether by Microsoft
Okay.
only, but different tech stack.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll take one more question. If anyone has any other doubt, you go ahead. Then I will take more say questions in the what to say doubt session.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm just, yes, I'm just asking, I just want to ask if this course is going to prepare us for which exam in the scope of the course, PL 900 or PL 400 for the certification of Power Platform.
You can go ahead and appear for both, Hyder, but recommendation is you should go ahead and appear for 900 first, and then depending on your interest, you can go and appear for 400.
Okay, so it will depend on the experience that I have with the Power Platform, correct?
Correct. So basically, today's session is like I will not be covering any topic in the Power Platform. It is just to make you guys comfortable with the Power Platform, what you can expect from us, what we will be giving you, where we are helping you, all these things only we will discuss. So all these questions you will be cleared in next 45 minutes where I will walk you through the curriculum. Okay. And if still you guys are not able to understand, then I'm sitting here. You go ahead and ask me your doubts.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Branika, you were getting unmuted. You have something to discuss?
Yes, I was about to ask about the Microsoft certificate exam, the PL 900 and PL 400. So,
Okay. I hope it is clear.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Karthik.
Uh, yeah, hi. I seen the PL 400 contains our platform Power Automate including Dataverse. Can we cover in Dataverse topic also in this course?
Sorry.
Dataverse.
Okay. So your doubt is what is Dataverse, right?
Yes, is the we are covering because in PL 400 it one of the topic we need to ready for PL 400 or
Fine, fine. I will be covering like what we will be covering here. Okay. Just a
okay.
sec. Let's get started with the content and then I will take the doubts. I hope that works, right?
Yes, yes.
Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. So good morning, everyone. Welcome back to KSR Data Vision to the already enrolled student and who are new. Welcome to KSR, guys. This is the first preview session of our platform with AI and CoPilot course. So what we will be covering today, I will be introducing you to the Power Platform, what Power Platform is. Okay. So after this session, what you can expect, there will be no doubt on what is Power Platform, what you can get out of Power Platform, what are the career paths that you can get from Power Platform, what are the certifications that you can go ahead in the Power Platform, where we as a KSR organization, where we will help you in your career, how you can become expert in Power Platform and which topics and all we will be covering in Power Platform. And I will be explicitly telling you like how the classes will be driven, and I will try to show you few projects that we have created in the class and few projects which are submitted by my students. Is it clear? Clear with the agenda?
Yes,
Yes, Udra.
Cool. Okay, let's get started then. Power Platform. What is Power Platform, guys? Any idea?
We commonly know it's low code and no code environment.
It's a combination of Microsoft applications.
Okay. Yeah, guys, keep on giving your thoughts on Power Platform. I'll tell you when to stop.
It's a tool which we use it to automate most of our work.
Okay.
It is basically a low code, no code platform where you can use it for various purposes. Like we have to create a form, or we have to create any app, or we have to create any website just for a little or small basic purpose. Okay, so we can do that. We can connect with multiple data sources because initially there was a challenge like to connect with the multiple data sources. So this Power Platform gives us the facility to connect with various type of data sources available in the market or for the different clients, and it can be easy to integrate with this, and they can use the AI as well to get the desired output within very less efforts.
Okay, very good. So, guys, let me try to make it more relatable for you. So, all of you must be using Office 365 products, right? Can someone tell me what are Office 365 products by Microsoft?
MS Word, Outlook,
Excel, Word, PowerPoint,
Very good. MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint,
SharePoint, OneDrive.
Outlook, Outlook, Outlook.
Notepad, right? So all these are Office 365 products. So this is the bucket which exists by Microsoft from long back, right? So the moment you will have this license, you will be getting all these things installed in your Windows system and you are using it, right? All of you must be using it, right? If you don't have this thing in the system, then your system is, I would say, just a body. It does not have soul in it, isn't it? Right.
Yes.
Cool. And guys, just one thing like I want to make very clear in the beginning itself. So I being an instructor, my teaching style is my training style is when I will go ahead and I'm explaining something, I need continuous acknowledgement from you guys, okay? So that I'm not explaining it to myself. I want to get that feeling that okay, you guys are getting it and you guys are basically present in the class. It is not that I'm interacting with the subtitle, what to say, interacting with the pictures. Okay, I hope that makes sense.
Yes, Sidra.
Cool. So now, guys, in Power Platform also you have multiple services or products which are available. So let us go with one by one. So first thing is Power BI, right? Then you have Power
PowerApps,
Apps. Very good. Then you have Power Automate. What else?
Power Pages,
Power Pages,
Over virtual agents.
which is called as
CoPilot,
CoPilot Studio, right? So guys, in Power Platform, you have five products: Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, and Power Copilot Studio, which was previously called as Power Virtual Agents. Clear? So these are five
Yes.
products. So now every product holds its unique relevance. Okay. So Power BI, you must be knowing it is for data visualization
Analyze.
for
Analysis.
analytics, right? Data analysis.
Yes.
So now Power Apps, as name says, with the help of this, you will be able to build appli.
applications,
Very good. So then Power Automate is for auto.
Automation.
Very good. Power Pages is for websites. And Copilot Studio is for
so
agents.
focus dashboard,
Can someone tell me the agent that you are using every day?
ChatGPT.
Chat
Very
GPT.
good.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT, CoPilot, and you will be using
Gemini.
Gemini, right?
Gemini,
Gemini,
Perplexity.
Perplexity.
Perplexity AI, right? All these are what?
Yeah.
Agents, right? Cool. So now, guys, these are the five products in the Power Platform, and now going to the other bifurcation, one more level down. Power Apps is further divided into Canvas apps and model driven apps, right? Power Automate is further divided into cloud flows and desktop flows. Okay. So now, guys, in Power Apps, what is Canvas apps? What is model driven apps? Again, we will be having dedicated module to that. I will not be going into detail. So I will just give you one word, like what it means. In Canvas app, you can say it is UI focused app. Like you can customize the UI as per your needs. And in model driven app, they're data driven apps. Okay. So cloud flows, guys, what I mean to say by cloud flows. So cloud flows is simple. So whenever you want to do any automation in the cloud infrastructure, you will be using cloud flows. If you want to do automation in the desktop, you will be using the desktop flows. When I say automation in the desktop, so you all of you must be working professional, or you must be opening your system every day. Then you are going to KSR Data Vision, then you are clicking on join class button, right? And then you're joining the class. So this is the process that you are doing on your local machine, right? On the local desktop, isn't it? So if you want to automate this process, so then you will be using desktop flow for that. Clear, guys? Are you able to relate
Yes.
what I'm saying? Cool. So now, guys, with apart from this, there is a database with the Power Platform which comes out of the box, which is called as Dataverse. Okay. And previously, Microsoft used to call it as Common Data Service. Anyone know this name? CDS?
No.
Yeah. So
No,
now it
no.
is Dataverse. Previous name was Common Data Service. Okay. So if you say, if you see somewhere Common Data Service, so that is nothing but Dataverse only. Clear? Guys,
So,
is
yeah,
it
what is
clear?
the use
Yes,
of
yes.
Clear, clear.
Dataverse?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is what?
What is the use of Dataverse, role and responsibility of Dataverse?
I would say not roles and responsibilities. I would say features of Dataverse, right?
Yeah,
Features.
sorry,
What
features of
it's
Dataverse.
it's just a data source, right? So it will be same as SQL Server. What SQL Server does? There you will
Mm-hmm.
be storing the data, right?
Yes, yes. Storing the
Is it
data, manipulating the data, right? Yeah.
manipulating the data, storing the data, connecting with data sources, right? So
Yes,
similar things
yes.
here also you will be doing. So
Okay.
now one more thing, the model driven apps, these apps will be created on data source as Dataverse only. These are Dataverse based app. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there are many other things which Dataverse can do other than just storing the data. So that I don't want to discuss now, and I don't want you to get frightened and get overcomplicated. So for now,
Okay.
just think it in the same way like any other data source. Okay.
Yes. Can I ask one final doubt?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, please.
Yeah. In Power BI Workspace recently, I can see on the top of the right corner something like A Builder. What is it? A Builder?
Coming to
That be
that.
covering?
Just yes,
Yeah.
just coming. I'm not yet completed with the Power Platform.
Okay.
What is Power
Sorry.
Platform? Okay.
Go ahead.
Just let me
Go
complete,
ahead.
then I will give you a chance to ask out all of you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Then apart from this, guys, Microsoft has some extra services that Microsoft provide with the Power Platform. So the very important service, which is AI Builder. Okay. So what is AI Builder? AI Builder is nothing what these are the AI models that you can leverage and integrate in your Power Platform solution to use the benefits or the power of AI. Okay, so AI Builder previously it was integratable with PowerApps and Power Automate, and now I guess Tushar is saying they are trying to integrate in Power BI only, Power BI also, so that like I think they launched it just now, so we need to check on that. But the model will be same. You will be creating model once, and then you will be using it anywhere in the Power Platform product, like data, like prediction model, sentiment analysis model, right? You must have seen, like you will give the sentence and then it will give you the sentiment, positive, negative, right? Invoice processing model. You will give the invoice, it will automatically extract the information, add it in the data source. Okay.
Okay.
And guys, the next big thing which is happening in the Power Platform thing is this CoPilot. Like if you will go ahead and if you will see the Ignite event, Microsoft has launched a lot of features here, Copilot Studio. And now it is very, very stable, I would say, as it was in previous 6 months. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So guys, whatever you are able to see on your screen, this is Power Platform. Just see it for 1 more minute and just try to process. And if you have any doubt, if you have doubts like what is Canvas app, what we will be building there and all, that is fine that you can keep it with yourself for, I would say for now. But just try to see the ecosystem and see like if you are able to process like where which product sits.
Yeah, Indrajit, Bindiya here.
Yeah,
So,
Divya.
is the Power Fabric also part of Power Platform?
Okay, you join late.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So Power Platform is different tech stack. Fabric is different tech stack. Okay, Power Platform is low code, no code tools. Okay,
Okay.
so Fabric is the tech stack where data engineers, data scientists will collaborate and work together. Okay, in Fabric you will be having Power BI, Synapse Analytics. Okay, you will be having Azure Data Factory. You will be having Azure. Some other services of Azure, like Azure Keyboard for
Okay.
storing the credentials, right? Then you have to learn about Azure Databricks. In Databricks, you will be writing Python code, Spark, Scala, and all. So it is more related to data engineers,
So
data related.
this is not connected with anywhere
No,
connected
no,
to
no, no
software.
connection. Two different tech stacks.
Okay.
This comes in low code, no code. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Indrajit, what Ignite is you explained, but I'm not much clear. What is that Ignite is like Canvas? Is there like that,
Ignite
or
is
it is
nothing,
like
Sapna. Ignite is the event that Microsoft has every year where they will go ahead and launch new features in the Power Platform.
okay, got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So, guys, any doubt what is Power Platform? This is very critical thing, guys. The critical slide of the today's session.
Will you go through Power BI as well here over here?
Yes, whatever you are able to see it on your screen, we will be covering everything towards the length and breadth of it.
Okay, what is the duration of this course?
The duration of this course will be anywhere between 3.5 to 4 months.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear, guys, what is Power Platform? I did not got any relevant question to Power Platform yet. So what I assume, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Only two yeses? What about
I know.
others?
Yes,
Yeah,
very,
I
very
got it.
clear.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and
Yes.
Clear?
yes.
Okay.
So I have a
That's
question,
what.
sir.
Yes, yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Paddy. Okay, Santosh. Yeah, go ahead, Santosh.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask regarding the Dataverse. I mean, how is this related to? I mean, this is something like SQL or somehow it is
You
what is
just,
the data?
for now, you just think it is just a data storage solution like SQL, like SharePoint, like any other data source which is there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever
So I have
extra
a
it has,
Mhm.
then all those things I will be covering here. You don't need to go ahead and follow even a single thing out from outside. Everything will be covered here. Only thing that I will be needing from you, I will be telling you what I will be needing from you guys. Okay.
Okay.
so one question, sir. Sir, for the AI builder, when AI is coming, so
Mhm.
the AI builder, what will come, like the agentic AI and all this AI thing will come in AI, or what will be the?
AI will have basically two kind of models here: custom model and pre-built model. So custom model means like you have to train your model and use it. Pre-built means it is already trained model ready to use. Okay. So Microsoft has around more than 12 to 13 models that you can use, like prediction modeling, like text classifications, like OCR, right? Optical character recognition, invoice processing, document processing. So all those models are there that you can train and go ahead and use it. When it comes to AI, you like the what will be the perception in your mind? We will go ahead and write a lot of code and all, right? So it will be like that, right? When I say trading the model, right? So you don't have to do anything. It is everything UI driven. So I will be telling you how to do that.
So the agents will come where, sir? In the co-pilot, it will come. The agents making and
Agent is different thing. Agent is
okay,
different thing. AI builder is different thing. AI builder
okay,
means
okay.
you are integrating the capabilities of AI in your Power Platform products. You are developing it. Okay.
Understood.
Agent
Understood. Thank you.
agent means you have created a chat bot which will have the functionalities of generative AI, right? Gen AI, Chat GPT-4, GPT-5.
So,
You
sir,
know what are
chatbot will come in
GPT?
which fields? Is in which section? The chatbot will come in which section, sir? Here, it will come in our syllabus or no?
This is chatbot. This is chatbot. These are the actual AI models that you will be creating and using in all these products. Custom AI models. Creating, training, and using it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And what is the, I would say, the beauty of Power Platform? The beauty of Power Platform is you can integrate these products together. You can integrate Power Apps with Power BI. This, so product integration is very much possible. So now, guys, think about any system that you're using in your day-to-day life. If you think about any system, any application that you're using, it should have everything which you're able to see on your screen. It will require everything, right? Isn't it?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
So it will be having application. It will be having automation. When I say automation, like suppose you are creating a submit request from the application, you will be getting emails, right? Updates, alerts, isn't it? How you are getting alerts? It is from automation, right? Or someone is sitting there and sending it manually. No, right?
No.
You will be having websites for that. You will be having agents, and obviously they will be having some internal Power BI reports to do the analysis of like how user is interacting with their products, isn't it?
Correct.
So now, guys, are you able to get that intuition? Like this is covering everything end to end, the entire solution, and that is why it is in lot of demand. So now, guys, coming to what are the career things that you can get out of it. If you can learn everything that is on your screen, you can become Power Platform senior developer. I would not say only developer. Okay. Developer automatically you will become. But if you know the cross integration, like how you can integrate and all, so you can obviously be one of the senior guy. Okay. So if you are good in Power Platform and now you want to move into Fabric, as I got most of the people have the doubt. I want to, what is Fabric and all. So in Fabric, you are done with Power BI, right? You can go ahead and if something is extra in Power BI, you can learn and do that. And then you can learn Synapse and all, and then you can become Fabric developer. So that is different domain altogether. Now, if you want to grow in Power Platform only, okay. So then guys, from Power Platform itself, you will have multiple domains. So there is one very hot role in the market, which is called as Power Platform plus MS CRM developer. You must have seen that. Anyone? has seen this opening? Power Platform plus MS CRM.
No.
No.
Microsoft Dynamics.
Yeah, Microsoft Dynamics. Yes,
Dynamics
Ah,
360.
okay.
I heard
Dynamics
that.
365.
Dynamics 360 plus
Yes,
Yes.
CRM.
correct, guys.
We
Yes.
have a combination of MSCRM and Power Platform, and along with the Azure services. It's a hot cake in the market.
Yeah, so basically, when it happens, combination of this, and all. So this happens mostly in the service-based organization because they want to hire, or I would say the small-scale services organization. So suppose I am, forget about me. Suppose you are only running the organization. You will be needing a guy who will have multiple skills, right? If you have a project on Azure, you will deploy me there. If you have project on CRM, you will deploy me there. If you have project on Power Platform, you can deploy me there, right? So it is, I would say, more like a marketing, not marketing. It is more like a organization decision, but it is very hard to get that skill set. Okay, even in the what to say real world, people will not have this entire skill set. Also, whatever you are able to see here, people will be good with Power Automate, but they might not be knowing the integration between the products. They might know more. They might be very good with Canvas app, but they might not know model driven app. So if you are able to learn everything which is on your screen, then also it's a big win for you guys. Okay. So now
I
coming
have
to
a
the
question.
just hold on, Bharat. Let me
Okay.
complete what is Dynamics, then I will be taking your question. So Dynamics is very simple, guys. You don't have to learn anything new. So the for Dynamics, the base is model-driven apps. Okay, you will be learning everything as it is. So in model-driven app, you can write JavaScript code for client-side scripting. Okay, so in JavaScript also you have to learn only one API, which is called as XRM API. That's it. And if you want to do the server-side scripting, you can either use Power Automate or you can go ahead and write your C# plugin. In plugin, you have to learn one interface, which is iPlugin service, iPlugin organization service. This is what you have to learn extra, and you will become the developer of Dynamics. Clear? Are you getting it now? This is the
Yes. Yes.
closest, this is
Yes.
the closest extension that you can make in Power Platform, and you can do it. And guys, my role also, where I'm working currently, is the same. I am Power Platform plus Dynamics techno-functional guy, solution architect. Okay, getting it?
Yes. Yes.
So, and one more thing, like I just want to guys want you to be very, I would say, confident about. I can confident and proudly tell you guys, I have worked on every product in real time, in the real time projects. So I will be able to give you much more insights than the textbook thing that you will be getting from anywhere. Okay. So this is Power Platform plus CRM. And now guys, desktop flows, it competes in different market, which is called as RPA. You know RPA, what it stands for?
Robotic
Yes. It's
process automation.
Very good. Robotics process automation. So can someone tell me the competitors in the robotics process automation?
Usually UiPath,
UiPath, right? Automation
Blue
Anywhere.
Prism.
Blue Prism. So these are the robotics process automation tool. So now this is the new addition in the Microsoft thing, which is called as Power Automate Desktop Flow. It competes in RPA. Like if you don't want to learn anything, you are into automation, you go ahead, learn Power Automate Desktop, and you will be good with RPA thing. But I don't want you to go ahead and to do this because I want you to have the multi skills, right? So obviously go for entire Power Platform. Clear? Now is it
Sure.
making sense? Where you can extend your career after learning Power Platform.
So, but now
Yeah.
in
Can I ask a
AI
question?
agents, agentic AI is going on more. So, what about that in the Power Platform?
Agentic AI, like, look, don't get carried away with the keywords. Okay. What is agentic AI? Tell me first. What do you when you say agentic AI, what do you mean?
means you're doing some software through help of which it can perform
Yeah,
some
that's what
tasks.
like we like it is not only with you, it is with it was with me also. Okay. And it will be with all of us. Like we will see articles, agentic AI is taking over job, it is the next big thing, next hot thing happening in the market. But it does not work like that. Okay, in the real world, when you will say. Agentic AI is what? It can plan, reason, act, learn, and interact with the tools or environment on its own, right? Automatically, basically, it will go ahead and perform the stuff, right? Isn't it? That is AI, right? AI is what?
Yes, so
Artificial intelligence that you will be developing, right? Automation, isn't it? So, do you have that thing here in the Power Platform? You tell me, entire Power Platform is on your screen.
for CoPilot Studio and and for this Power Desktop, which you're saying that is doing the same thing.
Yeah, this is automation, right? You will be creating automations here. Similarly, here also you will be creating the chatbots, agents, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So agentic AI means anonymously it will take the action. You don't need to answer any question. It will not only answer the question like chat GPT, it will go ahead and take the actions. So what will be the action? Like creating a record in the Dataverse, right? Sending an email, isn't it? Updating a record. So all those things we will be doing with the help of Power Automates and agents. So all these things can be interrelated, can be integrated together to do the task, right?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I think someone else was also asking some doubt and I asked him to stop. Who was that?
Yes, it's me. I'm Bharat.
Yeah, Bharat, go ahead, please.
I have only a straight question. Like, this dynamics is like, it's a technical related role or a functional related role?
Dynamics
MSCRM,
is,
which you
Dynamics is
mentioned.
a tech stack. It has both roles, technical and functional, both. When I say functional, what do you understand by functional, guys?
It's more about the implementation of the projects. They're not involved in the technical part.
I would not use the word implementation rather. I would say it is they are more concerned about the planning of the project. Like I will go to the calls, I will be taking requirements from there, documenting it, right? And we will be giving that requirements to our developers, architects. They will architect it and then they will be developing it, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Cool. Is it clear, guys? Can I move ahead? Now
yes.
this will make our
Yes,
life
yes.
easy. Now
Yes,
PPT we
yes,
will be
yes, you can
finishing in
move it.
5 minutes. Okay. Cool. So first thing first, like this is my introduction, guys. Although you know who I am, but this is a little details about me. So I am Indrajit Singh, guys. I have around 6+ years of experience in IT industry. As you know by now, like I have expertise in Microsoft product. I have expertise in data analytics and data engineering also. I have few certifications in Power Platform. I have expertise in working with multiple domains, banking, healthcare, automobile, and so on. List is long. So currently I'm working as a lead engineer at Striker and I'm associated with KSR Data Vision as a mentor, as an instructor, as a trainer. I have 3 years of teaching experience, training experience, offline and online classes. I am a MCT, Microsoft certified trainer. Okay. And you will be glad to know, like I am working on Power Platform since the inception of it, 2020. Like I am working on Canvas app when then the URL was make.preview.powerapps.com. They are just launching it at that time. So now I will be completing almost 6 years. I already completed 6 years. So now this is the seventh year which is running with all these products. Okay. So this is about me, guys. So now who can learn Power Platform, guys? So this will be the most frequent questions that you will be getting, right? Who can learn Power Platform? So if you don't want to write lots of code to do the simple stuff, like if you have to create a button only, right? So you have to write a lot of code like in normal traditional languages like JavaScript, CSS, right? React. So here you don't have to do all these things, creating buttons and doing all those things that Microsoft Power Platform will automatically take care of you. It is just a drag and drop thing. You can create, you can customize it with the directly properties. And if you want to do some action, you can write a simple one-liner expression that I will be telling you how to write. So you don't have to write. If you hate coding, so then this is for you. If you are from non technical background and if you are trying to move into IT, this is the very good platform for you. So if you are trying to switch technologies, like suppose you are already working in support domain or you are already working in coding domain and you want to switch to low code, because this will be the next thing which is happening, right? Not will be, this is the next thing which is happening in the IT. So go ahead and use it. Now, if you want to learn it as a fresher, so it will be easy for you to go. And if you have career path, go ahead and learn it. If you're cross skilling yourself, like suppose you're already working as a Power BI developer and now you want to cross skill into Power Platform. So then you go ahead and learn Power Platform. Okay. So now guys, I want you to go ahead and do one exercise. Okay. Before that, what is Power Platform, guys? Do I need to explain it now?
No.
No, right? You already know now what is Power
Yes.
Platform. So who will be called as Power Platform developer and what you will be getting here? We will be discussing Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, CoPilot Studio, Power Pages, and obviously we will be discussing frequently asked interview questions. And then once you will cover everything, then you will be called as Power Platform developer. And if you cover everything religiously here, if you will practice everything, then getting this thing is not a big deal. Again, while designing the course, what was the thing which is in my mind? Job is just an outcome, okay? So when we were designing the course, what was the main thing which was in my mind? I have it in the back of my mind. Like job, you can get it, right? You can go ahead, appear for 50, 60 interviews, then the questions will be repeated, right? Then you can obviously clear the interview. But the main thing which is there is to sustain in the job, to survive in the job, to go ahead and work on actual problems, solve it, right? So we have designed the course in such a way like you will be getting a very good experience here. You will be learning a lot of stuff and you will be self-sufficient to go ahead and work on the requirements that you will be getting. I want you to be self-sufficient and I will make you that. This is my promise with you. Only commitment that I need from you is you will be giving your 110% when it comes to practice. I hope I will get that right.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, Indrajit.
Cool. So now guys, these are the certifications for Microsoft Power Platform. This is the basic certification that you should go ahead and begin with. Then you will have PL100, which is deprecated now. They have replaced it with 7000, 7001, and 7002. Okay, so now they have went ahead and replaced it with the specialization certification. So then you have PL200 for the consultant. This is for Power BI. This is for Power Platform Developer Associate 400. This is for Power Automate Desktop RPA, right? Then you have Architect. So again, you don't need to remember by heart what every certification means. So it is just a one slide to tell you like what are the different certifications in the Power Platform path. Go ahead. Someone was asking something.
After this course, we can able to clear PL 200, or which category we are after this course?
After this course, you can go ahead and clear anything. Look, certification has nothing to do with the curriculum which is here. Okay. Curriculum is very industry driven. Whatever we will be using as a Power Platform developer, I will be covering that. And you also know like certification will be having something, it is just a textbook thing. Okay. Not I would say the technical thing that you will be working on. It is as good as, although these are technical certifications, but as a personal thing, I consider it same as the college thing like that we used to do. It has nothing to take with the real life scenarios. It is
Okay,
little relatable, but not that much.
okay, okay. Thanks.
Okay. But you should start with PL 900. And after that, whatever you are okay with, you can go ahead and do that. And I will tell you, like, if you want to prepare for certification, I can tell you a website which will give you the dumps, the previous certificates questions. And automatically, most of the things will be coming from those dumps only. Okay. Is it
Sure.
clear?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
thanks.
Okay.
Cool. Power Platform developer, why is in demand? First thing first, Power Platform developer is in demand because of lack of people, as I told you, like who are having expertise in Power Platform. People will be expert in one product, but they're not expert in all. And being organized in the organization, I will be looking for one or two Power Platform developer who knows everything end to end, right? So this is because it is in demand. And why I can say this with very confidence, because when I am involved in hiring, okay? And I guess we were hiring for solution architect role, and we were not able to find even a single suitable candidate in 6 months. Okay. And this happened multiple times. So people are there in the market who are trying to switch from multiple organizations or domains to Power Platform, but they're not able to make it. Okay. So as everyone wants to leverage the benefits of low code tools. So what are the benefits of low code tools? Can someone guess? It's a guesswork, guys. I'm not expecting the correct answers. I just want you to think and tell.
Yeah, actually, most of them, like from the non-IT background, they got feared about the coding, right?
No,
So,
no, that is the benefit for you. Why
yes,
organizations? Benefits for organizations.
uh,
Saves the time.
benefit for organization. It's when it's come to low code, like it is meant like everything from the coding side get is done from the backend side. So the things get very easy for the organizations, and it is very like the drag and drop kind of thing.
Again, for the developers. So what will the benefit of organization? The project duration will be low, right?
Yes, 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 absolutely.
When project duration is short, what will happen?
Cost will
Less
be low.
cost,
Cost will be less.
less manpower. Because now you don't need to hire for front end, back end, automation, DevOps, everything. Power Platform can do it on its own, right?
Correct.
Isn't it? And if project less project duration and obviously less turnaround time also, right? Like if something they want to change in the products, they can tell and people will do it in no time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, true.
So all these things, don't you feel like this is the huge benefit for organizations,
Yes.
right? So this is the reason why it is growing rapidly. And now, guys, before going to the next thing, just take out your cell phones or go ahead in your browser, open a new window and say low code, no code forecasted growth in CAGR. Type this and tell me what you're getting.
Can you
No
just
code,
repeat low code, no code?
low code, no code
Hmm? Hmm?
forecasted growth in CAGR.
$22.5 to 32.2.
Sorry,
Yeah, it is showing
22.5
like
to 32,
around 20, yeah,
32.2.
22.5 to 32.2 between 2024 to 32.
yeah. So, guys, this is the growth which is going to happen in this domain. Almost 20 to 30%, right?
Correct.
And currently, this market stands at $28.75 billion. And it is expected to grow up to 64.4 billion dollars by
Yeah,
2032, right? So, guys, this is the growth which people are forecasting in low code in the next coming years. Like I don't need to tell you. I am telling you the clients which are using it. Uber for their internal processing. Microsoft itself is using. Then NetWest, other banks. So if all these people are using it, guys, so then they must have realized some benefit out of it, right? Only then people are using it, isn't it?
Yes.
So now, guys, everyone wants to digitally transform their business, even if it is a small scale organization or MNC. So then that's why it is in demand. And this I already told you, shortage of skilled developer and rapidly growing market, right? Then it is a versatile platform that I already informed you in the first screen, right? And this is why it is in demand. So this is the job opportunities like guys that we have from the Naukri. You go ahead in the naukri.com and see how many jobs are available. So Power Platform Developer, guys, it's a low code platform that spans Office 365 Azure and Dynamics 365 and standalone applications. It consists of Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, CoPilot Studio, data connectors, Dataverse, and AI builders. So now what will be the roles and responsibilities of a Power Platform developer? Power Platform developer, they will be going ahead and creating application design. They will be developing it, testing it, deployment. They will do the deployment of the application, maintenance and collaboration. And guys, you will be glad to know when we will be starting working on the module, we will start with the database design. We will implement the database, then we will implement the application, developing it, we will be testing it, and we will be deploying it. Everything we will be covering. Okay. And these are the roles which are there. So now, Power Platform is from which organization, guys? It is a
Microsoft.
product of which organization?
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Do I need to explain what is Microsoft and which kind of products, the legacy products, which is running from last few decades?
Excel.
The main thing is the Windows operating system, which the
Yeah, so
worldwide
if
use.
operating system is not there, so then most of you must not be able to attend the classes,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So yeah, so I don't need to explain what is Microsoft, and it has a backing from Microsoft basically. So then you will be I think it is no brainer like why people are what to say why people are more, I would say, aligned toward this, right? So low code, no code is a domain, guys. Okay. In low code, you have other products also, but those will not have this much opening or this much adapters in the market. Okay. Like you have from Salesforce, you have from many other organizations, but this is the largest leader in the market. Even there was a survey from Gartner in 2025, low code, no code product. Microsoft Power Platform is the leader. Okay. Okay. Now it comes to our part. Now you know Power Platform, why it is required, what it is. Now where we will be helping you at KSR Data Vision. So guys, if you will enroll with us, so then you will be getting everything in one roof. You don't have to go outside. So you will be getting the expertise of mine that I have gained in almost 7 years of hard work. You will be getting it in 4 months, where we will be discussing a lot of stuff. So there will be total 80 sessions, almost 100 to 120 hours of content. And everything, guys, that we will be working here will be the real-time projects. You will be getting 6+ real-time projects. And the USP of KSR Data Vision is we will be giving you organizational account, and in organizational account, you will be getting the Power Platform license for practicing. Okay. And that license itself, guys, cost us the substantial amount of your fee that we will be charging. And I can say it with very, I would say, proudly, like we are the only one organization in this domain who will be providing you the license for practicing, and this will be the premium licensing. Okay, because I can cover anything and everything, but if you are not able to practice, then it is of no use. So we have given it is equal importance to practice also, and you also try to make fit it in your DNA. There is no substitute to practice. So for that, we will be giving you this account. Suppose a student named as Indra is enrolling. So he will be getting Indra at the rate KSR consultantservices.com email ID, which he can use for Teams, which he can use for all the Power Platform licenses, which he can, in this thing, guys, we will be having Office 365 license also, but that can be used in the browser only. Okay. So this is the licensing part, and which is again a USP for KSR Data Vision. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we will be giving you interview guidance. Obviously, you can go ahead and discuss with me anytime. I'm very much approachable. Or I would say you worry less about interviews. You worry more about like practice, learning the stuff, getting your hands dirty on that. Once this thing is done, so all this thing resume preparation, soft skills, tie up with companies. Our guy Mahesh, right? You have integrated, you have already interacted with him in the beginning of the class. He takes care of the placement sessions, but I will be helping you also here. We will be taking the frequently asked interview questions at the end of the course. There will be 3 to 4 sessions where will be discussing the interview scenarios and questions. Okay. Then we have dedicated sessions for placement cells, guys, where you can go ahead and discuss the things that you are facing issues in the placements. There we will help you in optimizing your Naukri profile, CVs, and all. Clear? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
these are the numbers, guys. If you want to make note of it to get in touch with our team, you can make note of it. And these are the few other courses which we have in our portfolio. So you can go ahead and enroll if you need. And you are currently in this course. Now, guys, coming to next important things. So let me go ahead and open stuff. Guys, give me just 5 more minutes. I will bind it up. Then I know you will be having lots of questions. I will be taking all the questions, and then only I will be ending the class. Okay. I hope that makes sense.
Yes, yes.
Come on, where does it went? Okay, here you go. So guys, this is the plan that will be shared with you. So data, how it will be Power Platform, how we will be approaching. We will be starting with Power BI, Power BI Desktop service. Then we will be starting with Power Apps. Okay. Canvas apps, Dataverse, model-driven apps, and Power Pages. Then we will be discussing about Power Automate, Cloud, and Desktop. Then we will be discussing about CoPilot Studio. Then I will be telling you about the admin feature also, how you can go ahead, control the access, Dataverse security model, and lot of other things like how you can create environment, managed environment. All those things also we will be discussing. Basic SQL and Excel manipulation. All these things we will be doing, and the project itself we will be doing everywhere. Okay. So these are the modules. This is the day-wise plan that you will be getting. Okay. And this is the plan that I have for myself, guys, that I follow internally so that I'm not missing even a single topic in any class. So now let me make it more simpler for you what it means when I say all these things. I will again try to use this thing. I will take the byte page, present. So guys, your class will start at 8 a.m. sharp every day and it will end at 9:30. Okay. And the module structure will look like first module will be Power BI. Then we will be learning Power Apps. Then we will be learning Power Pages.
For Power BI, how many days you are going to teach?
Coming to that, just a sec. Power Automate. Then we will be learning about CoPilot. Then we will be learning about Admin Center. Then we will be learning about basic SQL and Excel. Then we will be learning about the frequently asked interview questions. Now coming to the duration of each module, Power BI will be taking anywhere between 15 sessions. Again, all these sessions, I don't have anything kind of hard or fast rule, like it will take 15 session only or it will take 14 session only. It depends on your batch, like how you guys are performing, how you guys are interacting with me. It may take less also, it may take more also. Getting it?
What you will cover in this Power BI? Only Power BI desktop and service, or else Power BI Creator and Power Modeling all as well?
Everything will be covered. When I say Power BI, I say everything, taking the data to modeling, to developing the report, to servicing, to going ahead and performing the deployment. Everything we will be covering end to end.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever we will be touching, we will be covering it length and breadth. It is not only like I will not you guys, I will not make you guys jack of all and master of none. Whatever you will be covering, provided you are practicing, you will be master of everything here.
Yes. Indrajit, I have a question. Like
Yeah.
you said, I have heard like Power BI Gateway. Okay. So are we covering in this?
Yeah, gateway, I will tell you what gateway is. Even I can tell you now
Uh-huh.
also. That
Uh-huh.
is fine. But that is a simple topic.
Okay. Okay. I just want
Yeah,
to know
I can totally understand like all of you, like you guys are having all those insecurities, whether this will be covered,
Mhm.
that will be covered. A lot of things are there, but that's fine.
even
So I just say
even I
one
don't know
dialogue in.
what is gateway actually. I just want to know.
Yeah, I will definitely tell you.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay.
obviously I can not do it, what to say, what to say in practical. Why? Because gateway is hosted on some other machine, and then we will be connecting
Mm-hmm.
to that. But I will be telling you how to do, and what are gateways, where they are required actually. Like if someone is
Mm-hmm.
asking you, you will be knowing what to do, where to do.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. And even we are covering lot of other things, guys, that does not have any I would say that might be being a Power Platform developer you will never use. Let me show you the internal thing that I have for myself. So this is the for Power BI. Intro to Power BI, product walkthrough, data modeling, DAX, relationships, visualizations, merge queries, append queries, bookmarks, measures, Power BI service, sharing the report, subscription, here you go, gateways, dashboard, alert, usage metrics, row level security, scheduled refresh, data flows, deployment pipeline, incremental refresh, paginated report, multiple developers on the same report, performance analyzer, sync slicers, conditional formatting, filters, navigation, interaction, everything we are covering. And here also you can see reusable component, the recently added feature, responsive apps, offline capabilities, test cases, integration of Power Automate. Similarly, here also deployment, patching, connect to Git, integration with Canvas apps, integration with Power BI. Okay, audit history. Here also you can see Power BI integration, list in Power Pages. So there will be a lot of things coming your way. Only thing that I want is follow this religiously, practice everything, and you will be good. There are now why I can say this very confidently. I have seen many people who have got the job from like who are able to switch from the various domains. Forget about IT. People have switched from support domains, guys, after learning. So and they have seen a massive salary jump. But all these things, why I don't want to emphasize on this is all these things are, I would say, I consider it as byproduct of the hard work that you're doing. Okay. So now guys, how the classes will work, let me explain you that also. Classes will be very simple. You are able to see this PPT for the first session only. Now from tomorrow onwards, you will see only these two slides, this thing, and this is the agenda. That's it. And after that, what we will be doing is we will be simply going ahead and we will be implementing the stuff in the real world. Okay. So every session here is an assignment. Whatever we are covering every day, you will go ahead and you are expected to go ahead and implement that after the class. Okay, every session is an assignment, and we will be learning everything in the with the project. Like suppose we are starting with Canvas app. I will tell you the problem statement that we will be implementing in the class. Then we will go ahead and we will start with the database design. You are supposed to go ahead and implement the same database design after the class. Then I will tell you the application design, how the application will look like. Then we will start implementing the features, and with the features itself, we will learn every concept that I have told you. Then once the Canvas app is module is done, you will be ready with one Canvas app project. So now I will be giving you one homework Canvas app projects. So then you will be doing that. So now with this batch, we are launching one more thing. So now whoever from the batch will complete all the projects and whoever will create very good projects. So we will be choosing two students from each batch who for like where the project quality is top notch and they have did very good. We will be sending them goodies and then we will be giving them LinkedIn shoutouts. Okay, so this is the thing that we will be launching with this batch, just to encourage you guys to practice. Because if you are practicing, then obviously you will be getting good fruit out of it, and that will help us, right? Clear?
Yes, Indra. Indra, we discussed about the dynamic 365, right? Or we going to cover?
Ranika, your voice is not clear. Can you be a little louder? Sorry.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you go ahead. I'll try to understand what you're saying, please.
Yeah, we discussed about dynamic 365, right? Are we going to learn about those dynamic 365 in this course also?
Everything will be covered in model driven app, whether it is related to Power Platform or Dynamics. Everything which is low code, no code, I will be covering. Only thing which I will not be covering is JavaScript and C Sharp, because this is low code, no code course, right? So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and learn Power Platform first, and then you go ahead and learn Dynamics. But if you are already struggling into, I would say, single digit CTC and you have 3-4 years of experience, there is no need to go into Power Dynamics or something. Power Platform itself will serve your purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
Indrajit, may I know what is the cost of this course?
Cost will be, I guess, 30,000. So then, like, it depends. Like, if you will pay all in one shot, it will be discounted to 27, then two in installment, three installment. So there are different, I would say, offers for that. So you go ahead, there will be 5 preview sessions, 5 first free preview sessions. You go ahead and attend all of them. So in the 5th one, we will be discussing everything, how to enroll, what will be the cost and all. So that you can take it off forward from there.
Is this a first class?
This is the first class, correct?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Indrajit. So I see that this training is getting recorded. Is there a chance we can get it? I did join a little bit late, so I want
Very,
to
very,
review
very
that.
good question, Gridhar. Like you guys, you will be getting 1 year access to recordings. So all the classes that we will be giving you here, and you will be able to watch the recorded classes for next 1 year.
Thank you for that.
And Indrajit, like you said, organizational account, right? So organizational account will have access to how many? 1
6
month?
months.
6.
6 months license. Yeah.
Okay. That will be premium license, right? Power BI
Premium
also.
license, correct.
Okay. Sure.
Hi, Indrajit. I have one question.
Yeah, Anish.
I'm working in non-IT. Can we move into Power Platform or Power BI is better for me?
Power Platform, obviously, like it will be much better because there you will be able to do everything in low code, no code. So only thing is you have to think logically and then you will be able to implement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's included in Power Platform is Power BI and SQL also. No? That's why I'm
No, no, no,
asking.
no. I think you joined late, right? Is that the
Yeah.
case? Yeah, I
Yes.
would
Yes.
request you to go ahead and go through the recording of this session. It will be YouTube live also. So please go through that. All these questions you will be able to understand. And if still you are not able to understand, go ahead and ask me tomorrow. I will definitely answer.
Okay, Indrajit.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cool, sir. Okay. Anyone else? Anything?
How do I access this one, Indrajit? The recordings.
There is a YouTube channel of us, which is KSR Data Vision. Let me show you. Go to YouTube. Search here KSR Data Vision. And go to live session. Here you go. Okay.
Got it.
This is one way. Otherwise, you can go to our KSR Data Vision site. You can say Control Shift at KSR Data Vision .com. Okay, KSR Data Vision.com. Okay, there is some issue, I think. Just a sec. Okay, it is datavision.com. Come on. You simply go here and say here you go. So you can go ahead, sign up with your emails, and after it is signed in, you go to courses. So here you will be able to see all the courses and costs, guys. So this is the one preview session. Click on this, enroll, and then you will be able to see the classes, the free classes which are there. So once you, if you want to enroll, go to paid session and you will be able to see the fees. Okay. Power Platform with AI, 30,000. We are giving you 25% discount. And then if you want to see how it looks like, this is how it is looking like. Okay. If you click on buy now. So if you are going for full fee, 30,000, two installment, 30,000, three installment, 30,000. For more details, you can get in touch with team. They will help you. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yep.
Do you have any application for this KSR Data Vision?
Yeah, you do have the application also that you can install from the Play Store.
Okay, can we go through that application for these videos and everything?
Yeah, yeah. From the app, from your mobile phone also, you will be able to access the videos.
Okay, great.
It is available in both App Store as well as in Play Store.
Okay.
The application name is KSR Data Vision. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope now you are aware about what is Power Platform, what is KSR, where we will be helping you. So this is just a communication session where I'm telling you like what and how, right?
Sorry, I have a question. Maybe you can answer later, but I have a question. Yeah, I just want to understand. Are we going to develop regarding Power Apps application for cell phone as well, because I'm working on I'm just doing switching technologies. I'm coming
Yeah.
for support, and I'm going to PowerApps applications on my organization. So I just want to understand, we're going to develop as well application for cell phones, or the same solution that is web designed by PowerApps is going to work for mobile as well.
Yeah. So your first name is Ada, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, okay. So Ada, look, whatever we are developing in the Power Apps, that can be accessed in the cell phone also. How to access? You don't
Okay.
need to develop a new application altogether. Like if you're using iPhone, then you can simply go to App Store and search for Power Apps. So you will be able to install an application for Power Apps, and in that application, when you will log in with your organizational account, you will be able to access all the applications which you have access to.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Anyone else? Any doubt? Jyoti. Any other doubt, guys? I hope all the dust around Power Platform is cleared today. Will you be able to
Yes,
explain
Indrajit.
to the people what is Power Platform now?
Yeah, basic we can explain, right?
Yeah. So now at least you know where to go, right?
Yes.
Okay. If destination is clear, then reaching the destination is not a big deal.
Correct, correct.
Cool.
Anything else from your side, Indrajit?
No, I'm done. I'm waiting for your doubts, guys. If you guys
Okay.
don't have any doubt, you can simply drop off.
Uh, okay. So I guess that's it from my side. So I am dropping.
Cool. Thank you, Tushar. Let's meet again
Thank you
tomorrow.
so much. Yeah, yeah. We will meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. We'll meet you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Santosh. Cool, guys. In that case, can I take silence as no? Yeah, Mukul, you have something?
Thanks,
Thank
sir.
you. We have 4 years of
Thank you.
experience. How much pay will we get in the Power Platform?
Look, all this CTC and all, it depends on your previous CTC, depends on your interview performance. But I have seen people getting 100% hike also. I have seen people getting 60% hike also. So it depends like what is your current CTC and all. So if you want to discuss all these things, I think I will be needing few details, like in which domain you are working, what is your current CTC. That depends on your skills also. So various factors are there, but you can expect good hike, guys.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
cool.
understood.
Yeah, Ida, you have something?
No, no.
Okay. Anyone else? Anything, guys? Going through the room for the one last time in this session? Cool.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, same here. Okay, guys, let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Indra.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Bye bye.